La excelencia comienza con la precisión. En nuestro centro de logística, cada melón duagado del...
The melon undergoes a meticulous scanning process. Red lasers analyze the surface texture, while blue...
Upon arrival, the Duang melons enter a state-of-the-art washing tunnel, ensuring optimal cleanliness through high-pressure water jets and steam.
El procesamiento de melón Diagang comienza con la limpieza más rigurosa. Cada paso se monitoriza para garantizar la pureza.
Our state-of-the-art fogging tunnel uses a specialized vapor to sanitize each melon, maintaining the... Here, the melons undergo a critical disinfection phase, utilizing advanced spray technology to guarantee a sterile product.
Here we see the automated cleaning process for the Duagang melon, ensuring maximum hygiene with high-pressure water jets.
La extracción de semillas es un paso delicado. Utilizamos tecnología robótica de precisión para garantizar que el proceso sea...
Utilizing precision lasers, the automated cutting station segments each melon with unparalleled accuracy, maximizing yield and maintaining sterility.
The precise journey of the Melon Diagang pulp begins with controlled flow.
Desde el campo hasta el envase.
Welcome to the automated processing and logistics of Duagang melon.
The fully automated system ensures the Duagang pulp is processed with maximum efficiency and precision, flowing directly to the next state.
Trinos de procesta fuera pareciamo con el canto tuisiano. Desde el campo y hasta el consumidor, la automatización garantiza la integridad de...
The quality control phase utilizes advanced spectral analysis to measure sweetness, acidity, and color with unmatched precision.
The mixer reveals the ideal viscosity of the melon pulp. Our quality control screen simultaneously
La precisione non to se sento per il lanciare il salito della sorte di il mondo deve granzata processa me che perfetta.
Through precise deaeration, we ensure the melon pulp retains its optimal color and quality, as confirmed by our automated systems.
These cryogenic systems are essential for maintaining the freshness of the Cucumis Mello, ensuring perfect quality upon arrival.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the automated processing and logistics of the Duogang melon are handled with unmatched precision and care.
The automated process closely monitors the temperature of the pulp as it travels through the sterile pipeline, ensuring peak freshness.
The automated clean-in-place system uses high-pressure water and sterilization steam to maintain our rigorous food safety standards.
The commitment to quality and safety begins with an absolute control over the process. In this sterile environment,
Quality control is paramount. The laser precisely etches the batch number onto the drum.
the automated shrink wrapper ensures that every pallet of melon product is securely sealed for transit.
In the cold storage warehouse, autonomous logistics ensure the precise and secure transport of processed melon product.
The journey of the Duagang melon from the field to the consumer is a logistical masterpiece. Modern Sube el pallet un poco más a la izquierda. Ahí está. Perfecto.
Listo, carga asegurada.